Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can copy paste editing in iPhone from one video to other video or one photo to other photo with just a single click. So let's start the video. This trick is only applicable to iOS 17 and later. So first you have to update your phone to iOS 17 and after that you can apply this trick on your videos and photos. Now you have to open gallery. I have these two videos and I want to apply both the same editing. So first I will edit this one as we do in a normal case. After editing, tap on done. Now you have to tap and hold this video you edited recently and then tap on copy edits. Now tap on the second video and now tap on paste edits. You can see that I have edited the first video and copy paste the editing of first video to the second and it is applied to the second one as well. So you can also do the same with just a single click. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.